The beginning is in the end, part 2. Watch part 2 of the video, The Beginning is in the End, linked below. You will need to take notes, so please write or type down the following questions. How did the people of Sumer seal their contracts, and how were these seals similar to what we use today for money? The classic case of the development of civilizations included what aspects? What was missing in the Americas? What was the relationship between Babylonia, Sumer, Akkad, Assyria, and Egypt? Who was Gilgamesh, and who were similar people in future civilizations? What did most people do for a living in these ancient civilizations? After watching the video at least twice and taking notes on the above questions, take the Beginning in the End quiz on the next page.